Wearing a mask was a daily necessity since the smog and haze were a constant part of life. I can still recall an unforgettable headline from January 2013. Chinese cities engulfed in smog. Now, a decade later, I'm still in Beijing, but things have noticeably changed. Smog is no longer as prevalent as it used to be. While there are still occasional hazy days, clear blue skies have become much more frequent. This isn't just a personal observation. There's solid data to back it up. Take a look at this map from 2013, which shows the number of smoggy days across China. Beijing is marked in the darkest shade. PM 2.5, a critical indicator of air pollution, averaged 72 micrograms per cubic meter nationwide in 2013. To put that into perspective, air is considered unhealthy when this number exceeds 35 micrograms within 24 hours. By 2022, however, PM 2.5 levels had dropped significantly to just 29 micrograms per cubic meter. I also came across some photos of Beijing that highlight this transformation. These images, taken daily over the last decade, reveal a steady increase in the number of clear blue sky days. So what led to this dramatic change over the past 10 years, particularly in terms of government policies? I looked into it, and here's what I uncovered. I'm Xiao Chen, and welcome to Unboxing China. To understand this, I focused on 3 pivotal years: 2013, 2015, and 2018. Let's explore each one. 2013. The turning point came on January 1st, 2013, with the launch of China's Environmental Air Quality Monitoring Network. For the first time, the public had access to real-time AQI and PM 2.5 data for 74 cities. Later that year, a landmark policy, the Air Pollution Prevention and Control Action Plan, was rolled out. This plan set ambitious targets, including a 25% reduction in PM 2.5 levels for key regions like Beijing by 2017. The plan outlined 10 key strategies, such as expanding the use of clean energy, improving energy efficiency, and encouraging public transportation. A major focus was cutting coal consumption, as studies, like one from Tsinghua University and the Health Effects Institute, found that coal contributed to about 40% of PM 2.5 pollutants in 2013. Beijing responded by phasing out coal use and shutting down mines, replacing coal with natural gas in residential areas. 1. Fast forward to January 1st, 2015, when China introduced a revised environmental protection law. This marked a significant milestone for several reasons. It was the first update since 1989. It provided legal backing for the 2013 action plan. It introduced tougher measures, such as unlimited fines for polluters, support for NGO-led public interest lawsuits, and strict accountability for local governments. Building on this momentum, the Air Pollution Prevention and Control Law, also called the New Air Law, was enacted the following year. This law imposed stricter emission standards and increased penalties for violations. Examples from Beijing highlight how these measures had a real-world impact. 1. By 2017, Beijing had surpassed its targets, achieving a 35% reduction in PM 2.5 levels, well above the 25% goal, and experiencing a significant increase in blue sky days. Despite this progress, the government pushed further. In 2018, the Blue Sky Defense Battle Plan was introduced, building on earlier successes. This initiative set tougher goals, such as reducing sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide emissions and further cutting coal consumption. It also prioritized removing high-emission vehicles from the roads. By 2020, Beijing had closed its last coal mine, transforming the area into a green forest park, a powerful symbol of progress. Today, 10 years after the air pollution campaign began, China's cities enjoy significantly cleaner air, though challenges remain. Between 2013 and 2022, PM 2.5 levels nationwide dropped by 57%, and the number of polluted days decreased by 92%. These achievements reflect not just isolated policies, but a broader shift in governance. Over the years, green development has become a recurring theme in major government plans. For example, The 19th CPC National Congress Report emphasized pollution prevention as a priority, while the 20th Congress Report introduced the idea of modernization through harmony between humanity and nature. These policies aren't just random initiatives. They represent a long-term commitment to sustainable development and a cleaner future.